everyone, good morning. So today I've come with some assorted handbags for you guys. Now today's collection focuses on plain cotton tops. There is also a linen top with some nice variety of dupattas with different concepts. I've already posted them earlier in our collections, but I just thought I'll take you through by giving you details of the fabric and opening the dupattas out for you. So let's jump into the set. The first one what I have here is this lovely linen set. Now this is completely 100% linen top, which is a very beautiful blue. It's a lovely shade of blue. I'm not sure if it's coming right in the video, but it's a beautiful shade of blue. The combination is in gray, and you have a linen dupatta also. So let me just show this to you. So here is the top. It's a plain top, so linens are usually very elegant when it comes to a plain top. You can actually go for a nice semi-formal look. So it's a plain top with this beautiful light grey cotton silk bottom, and the dupatta is also very beautiful because of the color combination, and this is also in linen. So I'm just opening this out for you. So here's this dupatta. It has this lovely combination of a light pastel yellow and blue and white. There's this silver zeri at the borders of the dupatta, and very gorgeous, very elegant if you ask me. I really love this shade, and also I love linen suit sets, and I think for the plain top you have this completely printed dupatta. I think just goes along and tallies along very beautifully. You can team it up with some nice pearls or some silver jewelry of your choice, and I think this is going to be very beautiful. So this is the first linen suit set for you guys. So the next one that I have for you guys is this beautiful green and golden yellow combination. Top is in cotton, bottom is in cotton silk, and dupatta is in a new variety. Now in today's collections, all the tops are in plain. Dupattas are the best part for today's collections are the dupattas, because they're all different with different concepts. I know some of you like printed tops, some of you like plain tops. So plain tops have their own advantages, because as you all know, you can team it up with other dupattas which is there in your wardrobe. You can play around with the styling. So here is this green and this beautiful dupatta. Top is cotton, the common type of cotton that we have in Saki, which is really very nice. I'm again wearing the same cotton tops. Yeah, what I'm wearing is a cotton top which is similar to this fabric. So I've used this black without a lining, so it's very lightweight, and you can also carry it off very well because it's black, it's not see-through. But since it's a whole set, you can also go for with lining so that it lasts well. So this is a beautiful green, and the dupatta here is something very new in Saki. It's a very pretty matka kind of a dupatta. It's a very lightweight dupatta. It has the self stripes. Now it has it's a little bit of similarity to organza, but it is not that fluffy like organza. It's see, you can even pleat it up and wear it, and it will look really very pretty. And I really love the designing that's given, very different for the dupattas, and the combination of colors look very elegant and beautiful. Now this is a beautiful combination in green and golden yellow. Now as I told you before, you can also just play around with the dupattas. Now this dupatta can easily be teamed with a beautiful black top. If you have, just like I'm wearing, it still looks very gorgeous. You can team it up with any of the shades that is there in the dupatta, and to your creativity. So I've got other color combinations in the same variety with me, which I'm not showing you in this video, but you can just get back to me on WhatsApp if you would like to see the color combination. But this one is in this beautiful green and golden yellow. Okay, so the third one is in this beautiful orange shade. It's in a combination of orange and black. It's a lovely dark shade, or burnt orange or a sunset orange shade. It might look slightly different in the video, but please do check the picture posting. It's a very nice sunset orange, I can say, beautiful one, and it is in a combination of orange and black. So the bottom is in black. The top is in cotton plain, again the same cotton as I'm wearing, it's the same thing. And dupatta is the one that is really pretty and which is different in its concept. This is a Maheshwari dupatta which has this Ganga Jamuna border, which has these two different type of borders on both the ends. So you have a sunset orange border, and you have this beautiful green border on the other side. The body is completely black. So this is very very trendy and very different in Saki, and I guess this that will definitely be a good add-on to your wardrobe. You can also team this dupatta with other combinations, like you can again team it up with a black. I think it really goes well with black also, because both the borders does contrast with black and you have a black body. So again, you can work around with your choice. So that's the other set. The last one in this series what I have is this beautiful blue and green combination set. Again, the top is plain cotton, bottom is in cotton silk, and the best part of this suit set is the dupatta. So here, let me just open the top for you. Here is the blue top, a very pretty and a beautiful shade of blue. And what I like is the dupatta, which is in a lovely silk dupatta with a very very pretty combination and printing, which is in a green and a blue shade. So here is the dupatta with some nice prints on it. It also has this beautiful gicha weaving at the ends with a zeri weaving. So basically, if you have a gicha or a beige tussar top in your wardrobe, you can also team that with this dupatta, because it's going to be very very elegant with a beige toned tussar gicha, or any fabric of for that matter, with a beige or a white. It will look really pretty. It can also go with black. And so here the combination is in this beautiful blue and green. So a lovely dupatta in silk. So this is the last one in this series. Please do take a look at the picture posting, and please do get back to me on WhatsApp if you would like to know the price and to do the booking. Take care guys. Thank you.